box, box, box. Big, big, big.
Now it's your turn.
The box is big. The box is big.
Now it's your turn.
The box is big. What is big? The box. The box is big. What kind of box it is? Big. The box is big. Hen, hen, hen. Eggs, eggs, eggs.
Now it's your turn.
The hen has eggs. The hen has eggs.
Now it's your turn.
The hen has eggs. Who has eggs? The hen. The hen has eggs. What does the hen have? Eggs. The hen has eggs. The hen has eggs.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.